fame. The car is a French race car called the Below. It was manufactured in France in 1920. Its impressive credentials include a second in the 1920 IndyCar race driven by René Thomas. René was a veteran at Indy. He had already won the 1914 race. The car also placed 7th in the 1921 French Grand Prix. And later, in 1921, it was first in the Italian Grand Prix. In both those races, it was driven by Jules Gou, who won the 1913 Indy 500, is probably remembered more for his pit stops in the Indy 500 than anything else, because at every pit stop he took a swig of champagne.
The artist Ken Ebert will be personalizing the poster at the AACA National Tent in the Chocolate Field.